All right, guys, I got a Lexus here. If you guys need to change that bulb on this Lexus, doesn't matter what kind of Lexus you have, that little corner bulb, you're not gonna have a lot of spacing to get through here. You can fit your hand in there. You're gonna have to push the battery this way, loosen the battery up, take this bolt off. There's a 10 millimeter all the way down there. Fuse box is movable. But what I did was, I took my flathead screwdriver, I went behind this cover. This cover was behind it, so I just yanked it. I got my light back there. But once you take this off, you check that out right there. You got our connector just hanging there. So what you do is you put your hand in here. It's gonna be hard to see, and you just twist it counterclockwise, and you get that connector out right there. You see that it's in my hand, and you're gonna have to work a little bit. And what you want to do is make sure your hands are nice and clean. 194 is the bulb size. You're gonna have to get this in there and fit it in there. Once it's in there, you twist it back on, and I will finish up the video by closing this cover, and I will show you how to replace that. But here it is. This is the bulb. Let me finish this out, and then I will show you. Okay, so what I did was freaking camera didn't record. I'm gonna go back. So this is how I originally opened it up. So once I opened it up, I took my light, and all I did was go all the way to the top and grab that connector, and I turn it out, and as you can see, it's moving in there right there. And I try to put the slot back in to, just gonna have to turn it till it grabs to the spot, and it clicks right in. Remove my light, and I did turn the wheel to the right. At least we had to redo it, but we got it. There you go. Okay, it's all done. I'm gonna turn it on. So you can get it from here, but you're gonna have to make a little bit of room. This side is pretty easy if you can fish it from right here. But other than that, let's turn on our lights and see if it comes on. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching my video. So the light from here is also from right back there. Anyways, thank you. Bye-bye.